Om Banna or the Bullet Baba Mandir is located on the Pali highway in Rajasthan. According to a local legend, a person named Om Singh Rato died at this spot in an accident caused by drunk driving. The bike was removed from a ditch by the cops and kept at the police station, but mysteriously it turned up at the accident site. After emptying the petrol tank, it was taken again and changed inside the station. It is believed that the bike somehow again teleported to the site of the accident. People believe that the deceased Ombanna's spirit resides in the motorcycle and also that he helps those in need. The temple is visited by hundreds who offer their prayers and tributes to a 350cc bullet motorcycle. The Jwalamukhi temple in Himachal Pradesh is known for its continually burning flames. It is believed to be the manifestation of the goddess Sati, as no source of ignition is visible. As per the Hindu belief, Lord Shiva was enraged after his wife Sati killed herself by self-immolation. To calm the Lord, God Vishnu divided Sati's body into 51 pieces. One such piece, that is Sati's tongue, fell at Jwalaji, where the goddess is manifest as tiny flames. Lepakshi temple, located in Andhra Pradesh, is popular for the hanging pillar. The 16th century temple of stone has a pillar named Akashastambha which does not rest on the ground. Jagannath temple in Uttar Pradesh is famous as the monsoon or rain temple. The roof of the temple starts dripping 15 days before the onset of monsoon. Farmers residing in the region depend on the size of droplets for their agricultural plants. If the droplets accumulated on the temple ceiling are big, it is believed that there would be great rainfall. But if they are small, their cultivation would be affected by drought. The Kadu Malleshwara temple, located in Karnataka, is dedicated to Lord Shiva. During some construction process, the workers found a temple of Nandi, which is a statue of bull believed to be the vehicle of Lord Shiva. Nandi was seen ejecting clean water from its mouth, and the source of this water is not yet known. Ananda Padmanabhaswamy temple in Kerala is believed to be the richest temple in the world. The 7 treasure vaults here hold tons of valuables, gold, silver, ornaments, and coins. The valuables of 6 of those vaults is estimated to be worth over $22 billion. The 7th vault still remains a mystery, and it is believed that it can be opened only by a secret chant. Any other means to open this door, which is guarded by cobras, will result in disasters. The Airavateshwara temple in Tamil Nadu is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The entrance of this temple has steps that produce 7 different sounds on tap. The 7 swaras Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Tha, Ni, Sa can be heard at different points. These musical steps are considered a great mystery of all time. The Kailasa temple is a megalith as it is carved out of a single rock. Located in the cave number 16 of Ellora in Maharashtra, the temple is made with a cutout technique where it was carved from the top of the rock and then excavated downwards. Though the rock is known to be around 6,000 years old, the actual date of construction of the temple is not known. Also, the temple has the largest cantilevered rock ceiling in the world. Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha is known for some mysteries that defy any scientific explanation. The flag atop the temple always floats in the opposite direction of the wind. The second mystery is that the temple has a chakra which is 20 feet high and is fitted on top. The strange fact is that one can see this chakra from any corner of the Puri city. Also, the structure of the temple is in such a way that it does not cast any shadow at any given time of the day. The kitchen in the Jagannath temple is considered to be the largest kitchen in the world. It consists of 32 rooms with 250 earthen ovens and over 600 cooks to prepare the food that is offered to the Lord and partaken of by the devotees as prasadam. One another fact that defies explanation is that though the quantity of prasadam remains the same throughout the year, never gets wasted or is insufficient to feed the devotees irrespective of the variation in the number of visitors. 7 pots are used for this and they are placed one on top of another. Interestingly, the content of the topmost pot gets cooked first, followed by the bottom pots. Another fact is that the shores of the temple work in contrast to the laws of geography. Normally, during the daytime, the wind from the sea comes to the land, whereas the wind from the land blows towards the sea in the evening. But in Puri, the opposite thing happens. Sri Vijayavithala temple in Karnataka is famous for its musical pillars. The 56 musical pillars at the temple's Ranga Mandapa are also known as Saregama pillars. When the pillars are tapped gently, one can hear the musical notes. The mandapa has a set of main pillars surrounded by several minor ones. Each main pillar is wrapped with 7 minor pillars which emit the musical notes with different sounds.